Fill your heart's bag with light. Imagine a cozy night, a little boy tucked in bed as his mother gently strokes his hair. She softly asks, "Did you read your bedtime duas?" And he whispers back, "Yes, Mama." She smiles softly, blessing him. May Allah fill your heart with light. Now imagine glowing clouds parting high above as a radiant angel slowly descends. The angel carries something special, the child's bag of deeds glowing with all his actions. The angel opens the bag, revealing shining golden pages filled with kindness and prayer. One dark spot marks a lie the boy told, but there's more to this story. Because the boy felt sorry and said sorry, the angel forgives him, shining light over that page. With hands raised, the angel prays, "O Allah, choose this child for Jannah." Can you feel that hope? The promise of a heart beautiful and light-filled. Morning arrives and the boy wakes with a smile, carrying calm and peace inside him. He steps fresh and calm to make wudu, cleansing for prayer with joy in his heart. Walking to school, he greets everyone with warmth, sharing light through kindness. He helps a friend in need, keeping that soft glowing light shining bright above him all day long. Each night, your heart's bag of deeds opens. What light will you fill it with tonight? Choose kindness, truth, and prayer. Choose to fill your heart's bag with light and Jannah. Every moment is a chance to add light to your heart's story. What will you choose now? Remember, your deeds shine not just for others, but light your own path to peace. So tonight, as you lay your head down, ask yourself, what light did you share today? Let every deed, big or small, fill your heart's bag with light for the journey ahead. A kind word, a prayer, a truthful moment, all add golden pages to your story. If you stumble, remember to say sorry. The angel's light will forgive and shine over you. Your heart's bag is always open at night. What story will you create by tomorrow's light? Start tonight. Fill your bag with light by choosing kindness and truth first. May your heart always glow bright, lighting your path to endless peace and Jannah. Thank you for sharing this bedtime story of light, deeds, and hope with us. Good night, and may your heart's bag always shine with the light of your good deeds.